Today it's Nice, Monaco, and we're already in Monaco. This is our final stop for today. But we're going to take you all the way along the coast on the Basse Corniche between Nice and Monaco, and we'll tell you where you need to stop on your way.
So join us on one of our favorite day trips ever. From Nice, we'll take you through Villefranche-sur-Mer, Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, Beaulieu-sur-Mer, Eze-Bord-de-Mer, and Cap d'Aille, all the way to Monaco. Ending with a grand finale at the French Riviera, with its incredible view of the Principality. We're starting on the most famous promenade the French Riviera has to offer, the beautiful Promenade des Anglais. It stretches for about 5 kilometers from Nice airport to the old town and is lined with pines and palm trees that get even more as you approach the city center. But most importantly, it features a wide sidewalk and cycle path, perfect for exercising or strolling along the sea. You'll need a car to easily follow our exact route, but most destinations can also be reached by public transport. Now we're leaving the promenade to bypass the old town of Nice to get to the port. At the port, we finally hop onto the famous Basse Corniche and head towards Villefranche-sur-Mer as our first destination. There are actually 3 of these so-called corniches. Check out our video about the other 2, the Moyenne and the Grande Corniche, which are all equally impressive. Soon you'll gain some height, which calls for a first stop to take in the breathtaking sea below. There are actually a few small parking areas along the way, so take your time driving and watch out for them. The bay between Villefranche-sur-Mer and Cap Ferrat, the Rade de Villefranche, is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful bays on the French Riviera. Arriving in Villefranche, be sure to park your car and take some time to wander around the medieval town. The 16th century citadel will catch your eye. You're free to enter and explore the fortress, including its beautiful views of the bay. When walking down to the old town, don't miss the covered alley called Rue Obscure. The promenade along the sea is lined with restaurants that are perfect for lunch or dinner, and there's a great beach a little further down the road. You'll see more of it in our video dedicated to Villefranche-sur-Mer. Today there's a small market with local handcrafted goods. We're told it takes place whenever a cruise ship drops anchor. We're now on our way to Cap Ferrat, or Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat as it's properly called, and we're ready for a little coffee break. But first, another stop at this lookout point, where the entire bay stretches out in front of you, with Villefranche to your right, and the beach with its turquoise waters right below. By the way, there are many fun events in Villefranche throughout the year, from flower battles on boats during Carnival to open-air cinema at the Citadel in the summer, and much more. To find out what's happening when you're in the area, check the online event calendar at explorenicecotazur.com. While we can't wait to show you one of the fanciest places on the Côte d'Azur for a drink, a full meal, or to rest your head at night, there are so many more really special things to do at Cap Ferrat, like visiting the pink Villa Efrussi de Rothschild with its extensive gardens.
Est-ce qu'on peut prendre un café?
Absolument.
Meanwhile, we've reached our eagerly awaited destination, the Grand Hôtel du Cap Ferrat. Past the main restaurant and its spectacular terrace under the pine trees, we walk through the garden, cross the road, and enter right here.
We're taking the funiculaire, which is some sort of lift, can you imagine? To get down to the piscine, to the pool, to have a coffee.
The Club Dauphin, with its pool, sunbeds, and wonderful restaurant/cafe, isn't just open to hotel guests, though it does remain pretty exclusive due to its prices. A sunbed for the day costs 230 euros this season, just to give you an idea. Anja and I settle for an iced coffee, which is worth every cent considering the location. And we can't resist one of their sweet desserts and decide on a delicious rhubarb verbena tartlet, which isn't even all that sweet, but light and fruity. Truthfully, we could have spent all afternoon in this place, but it's time to continue our journey towards Beaulieu-sur-Mer. The sweet little convertible we're driving today is not ours, by the way. The folks at discovercars.com have graciously made it available to us for a day to test their service. Discover Cars is an online car rental booking platform that compares rental deals from all the big companies you know to smaller local ones. They've been around for over 10 years, covering 140 countries and helping you find the best deals without hidden fees. We opted for the Orange Company, which is very prominent at Nice Airport. When booking online and paying through Discover Cars, you can breeze through the pickup process, retrieve your car keys from a machine, and start your day. So if you ever want to rent a car, check out this platform, and we'll receive a small commission when you book through the link in the description. Alright, we're back on the road and continuing our trip towards Monaco, with a few more stops on our way, starting with Beaulieu-sur-Mer. In Beaulieu, we quickly pause at Fourmi Beach to show you Villa Kerylos, an original reconstruction of an ancient Greek residence that can be visited.
Now there's the clouds. We knew they were supposed to come this afternoon, but not so soon, because we have some nice beaches coming up for you, but maybe they'll go away before that.
Our next destination is a beach, as promised, the beautiful Plage du Petit Afrique, nestled beneath this enormous rock. While it's cloudy right now, the weather was perfect when we brought you here in one of our beach videos. We continue our journey and now we're heading to Eze. Not Eze Village, the must-see village high above the coast, but its little brother down by the sea, called Eze-Bord-de-Mer. There are beaches down here, of course, and you'll also find the start of a hiking trail leading up to the medieval village of Eze. It's called Sentier Nietzsche. Yes, the famous philosopher was known to use this trail. And it's not very long, but steep. So plan for about an hour to reach the hilltop village.
So right behind us, supposedly, there's a nudist beach that everybody knows about. We've never been, so we don't know exactly where it is, but we'll find out for you.
And off we go to our next destination.
Don't look down, 'cause both our feet have left the ground. Don't look down, we're dancing over shrinking towns.
Cap d'Aille is tiny. It's just the last stop before Monaco, but you have absolutely to stop here because here's one of the most beautiful beaches at the French Riviera. And not to forget, there is a marvelous walk between Monaco and Cap d'Aille along the coast. You should not miss this one out.
To reach the beach Anja mentioned, Plage de la Mala, after leaving the Corniche, you follow narrow roads down towards the sea. But you'll have to walk quite a bit to actually get to the water, which we show you in another one of our videos. And now it's time for Monaco. Cap d'Aille is situated right next to the Principality, so it's just a matter of minutes to get there. Our goal was to show you the Formula One racetrack, since the Grand Prix has only just taken place at the end of May, and you can still see many of the stands and safety installations along the track. So have at it! You can actually follow in the race driver's footsteps all year round with your private car, or even on foot. You just need to know the course and stick to the speed limit. We'd like to take you to one final destination for today, another luxury hotel. This one's called Mayborn Riviera and offers the most spectacular view of Monaco you could possibly imagine. We're all done for the day and enjoyed two of the best fruit cocktails we've ever had, served with olives and potato chips, as is customary for aperitifs in France. Cheers to a perfect day!
Is that view not amazing? And we always finish our video with another idea of what to watch next. And this time we thought it might be a great idea to present you some other similar great lookout points like this one.